Why do I have so much issue pronouncing his name? James Hype announced a contest. James Hype. Go James Hype. Go James Hype announced a contest for his song Be Mine. So, what? A few days ago, James Hype announced a contest for his latest release, Be Mine, and I decided to participate with the Melodic House remix. And today I'm in Cosmic Studios in Berlin, where I will show you some of the parts of my project, more specifically the most challenging ones, which was making and editing the vocals. So if you're interested in music production, maybe you'll find this helpful. So this is my project for the remix. And the main challenge when making this track was the fact that we received the stems and the a cappella was already mixed and mastered. This was quite challenging when making the cuts for the vocal in order to fit my project. An example would be the main vocal here. The cut is very abrupt whenever it ends. You can hear it. So I did some tricks in order to make it more natural. For example, I cut some of the ending parts and I added it here, along with some automation on the frequency. So an auto filter with automation on the frequency. You can see that whenever it ends, the frequency fades, so it sounds a little bit like this. It also has a Valhalla reverb on it. But I wanted to fix it even more. This is why I added a second channel, the Vox Effects. I also use this for mixing purposes. Basically, I put a sidechain compressor on the main voice so that the effects, the reverb and the delay play whenever the voice cannot be heard. Otherwise, together it would be a little bit too much reverb and delay. This is how the Vox Effects channel sounds like on its own. I also did the same trick on this one. I cut the last part and then I added it again. So a little bit more natural. And then the third channel, which helped me make the cut even smoother, was a channel with ad-libs. Basically, these are some vocal chops which I cut from the vocals, along with some effects. Again, the frequency automation from the auto filter, more reverb and more delay. The third channel sounds like this. And then all three of them together. Everything is much smoother when it fades. And then I will show you a sneak peek from the project. This is it for today. Hope you found this helpful. What do you think? Should I release this?